we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this brand. We're going to be looking at how to say more related and so often mispronounced brand names of sportswear and fashion too. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. It was founded in Petaluma, California, United States. So in British English you would be tempted to say this as athleta, athleta, just as in an athlete, right? So athleta or athleta in American English, but the company itself pronounces it as athleta, athleta, and that's how it is to be said, I guess. If the brand itself says it that way, athleta is how it is usually pronounced in Sonoma County, California. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting brand names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.